Hey guys, this is Robert and here's the package, so let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, we have this hand blender, chopper, beaker, whisk, milk frother, and a manual. Okay, here's some warning notes. Same picture on this side. This is what you could make. And here's the package. Open it up. Okay, we have a hand blender cookbook. There's support, warranty. Yeah, same thing. In the manual. That's part of the whisk. Here. Lock and lock. The blender itself is a lot heavier than I thought it would be. On turbo, it's a dial on top. You click on whatever attachment you want to use here. Here's the hand blender. There you go, lock, unlock. I have a beaker here. Has milliliters and fluid ounces. Here's the part of the whisk. Insert it here. There you go. Take it in and out. The brush and the milk frother attachment. Then we have a chopper like this. That's everything. And that's it. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.